We all appreciate great service. That's why we work so hard to give everyone the very best. And nothing is more rewarding than receiving a glowing review from someone we've made very happy with our service. Here's what they had to say. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are happy and satisfied. And this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior service. This is also one of our favorite reviews. Very inspiring. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone, new and old, and treat them equally with great service. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to contact us at the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.